A lot of the times when I cook bok choy, I like to slice it in half lengthwise. Make sure it's all cleaned out because bok choy tends to have some dirt at the bottom where the core is. So make sure you get that cleaned out. I just like to sear it in the pan and then make sure I finish it in the oven because usually searing in the pan alone isn't going to give you the tenderness that you'd want. You can always stir fry it. So you can just chop it up, quick saute. You can add some seasonings like mirin, soy sauce if you're doing Asian style. Bok choy doesn't even need to be cooked. You could take the leaves and toss it in a salad. There are so many ways that you can cook bok choy, but make sure you're seasoning it because bok choy in itself doesn't have a lot of flavor. The reason I sear it in a pan is because it gets a nice caramelization. So the more caramelization, the more flavor you can input into your dish, the better.